guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can overlay a video on CapCut. So by adding an overlay, you put another video on top of your video, another video or maybe a picture. So here what you need to do is just add the main clip first and then click on the overlay button, click on add overlay, and then add the overlay that you want. So in this case, I'm going to just use the overlay from CapCut. Okay, I'm going to just add this overlays right here. Okay, just click on add and then fit the size like this. Then to make the main video still visible, go to blend and choose the one that you think fits your video the best. I'm going to go with filter, then I'm going to lower the opacity of the overlay. Now just click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial from me, but I hope it will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon, and also leave a comment. Bye.